Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about something a little bit different. It has nothing to do with cosmetics or makeup or beauty even. It really doesn't have anything to do with anything that I talk about on this channel, so bear with me. It is off topic, but I really think you guys are going to appreciate this because it can help you earn a little bit of cash on the side. So if you want to earn some money and you're wondering if there is anything that you can do to earn money online, watch this video and I will talk you through how I personally am earning money through a website called Tsu. I don't know how to say that. I call it Tsu. It is invite only, so if you want to join this new website, it is a social media website. It's basically exactly like Facebook and you earn money from it, but I'll get to that in a second. It is invite only, so if you want to join right now and take up this opportunity to start earning money before everyone else does, click the link in the description below because I am personally cordially inviting you, my dear. Let's talk about it. It's basically exactly the same as Facebook. You put up your profile, you put up a profile photo, you put up your details. You don't have to if you don't want to. And you know, you just kind of use it just like Facebook. You make friends, you invite your friends, and you talk to people, you make posts, you make statuses, post photos, share things. You can share, like, comment, all of that jazz. It is pretty much exactly like Facebook except visually. And the other thing is, different to Facebook, you actually own the content that is posted by you. So if you post something, you own that post. And that means that the ads running alongside, the money gets given to you, the owner of the post. The other thing about owning your own posts and your own page is that if Tsu decides they don't like what you're doing, they can't just take it down for no reason. They would have to go to their terms and conditions or their usage guidelines, that sort of thing. So long as you're obeying the rules, there is no reason for them to take down your account, take back your monetization, etc., because that's your page. Now, a lot of people are a little bit confused as to how you actually end up making money from Tsu. There are two ways that you can do it. So you can do it by posting lots and just adding people on the website that have already got accounts and kind of posting stuff that you think they will actually like and view and comment and share on. Or you can invite people from other places like your Facebook, your real life friends, YouTube, and give your link to invite them, and then they will go under you, and that is an earning method as well. If I'm not making any sense, I do have a blog post down below that you can read just to kind of go through it all. The best way for you to earn the most money is to sign up, first of all, make a few posts, and then send your link out to your friends and get them to sign up. And then I personally, when someone signs up using my link, or if someone adds me and I don't know them, I will go over to their page and I will just post a quick message saying hi, telling them about Tsu, telling them about myself, telling them about strategies that they can use to make money. And that really helps because then they start implementing those strategies and you get a minor kickback from that as well. I know it's probably a little bit complicated and you might be a little bit confused, but basically all I'm saying is go make a Tsu account. Tsu. So all I'm really trying to say is that you should sign up for Tsu using the link down below, make some friends on the website and start posting stuff so that they can like it and share it and have fun with you. And also share other people's stuff because that really helps engagement, and normally people will thank you for sharing their post by going and liking some of your stuff, etc. It's really just a social media website, so socialize with people, talk to people, say hi, meet someone new, get to know people, and while you're doing it, you'll be earning money. So don't do things to earn money, do things that you would be doing anyways and you will earn money as well. And the other thing I would sincerely suggest you do is go send your link to all of your friends, get them to sign up as well, and then they will and then tell them to do the same thing. So I know this was a random video and you're probably, I hope not unsubscribing, but I hope you liked it anyways. Go check out Sue, go sign up, say hi, because it's a method that you can interact with me. So if you want to get to know me a little bit more, if you want to talk to me elsewhere that isn't YouTube or whatever, then it's basically just like Facebook. So add me down there. So if you guys want to start earning some money online, if you want to be kind of earning money while you sleep, yes, I know that is a cliche that is overused and normally is synonymous with shit that doesn't work. But basically, if you want to be earning some cash and socializing with a new group of people, or marketing a business that you have, or marketing a YouTube channel that you have, or anything, go use the link down below, sign up for Sue, and you can start using it just like you would use Facebook, adding people, getting to know people, commenting on other people's things, liking stuff, sharing stuff, posting stuff of your own, and people will do the same for you. And while you're at it, all the times that someone is exposed to an ad because of you, or all the times that someone clicks on an ad or shares one of your things or adds you or uses your link to sign up, you'll be earning money. I can't give you the exact amount because it varies from person to person, but like I said, there will be blog posts down below and you guys can see how I do it, how other people do it, some tips and tricks, etc. But I hope this video helped you guys out, and if you have joined Sue, so hard to say, find me there. I am Harry Frankfurt, and I hope that helps you out. Add me, say hello, I will talk to you. We can talk about whatever the hell you want. We can talk about makeup over there if you want. And you guys will see me for my empties and my favorites and my Bella Box unboxing soon enough. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for putting up with this random video, and I will see you guys on Sue. Sue. And you guys will see me in the next video. So I know this is start again. This video is just beyond random.